Hi guys, unfortunately I'm not able to be here live with you tonight for our regular crafty playtime. We had something come up in my family, nothing bad, and this week has been a little hectic. But it's also giving me a little time to do a little thinking. So there are going to be a few small changes coming to our weekly live streams. First, I want to thank everyone that has dropped in to check out today's video. There are so many of you that come every week, and I love getting to chat with you all. And I know there are many more of you that catch the replay. You don't know how much you all mean to me. So thank you again to everyone that views, likes, subscribes, and comments on all of my videos. I love you guys, and I love creating videos that you enjoy and that you find value in. So what's changing? Well, I'm going to let you be more involved in the process. Now, this wasn't my original idea. I got inspiration from a couple of live streams that I watched recently, and I really loved some of their ideas. So, the first thing that's changing is that for the next few weeks, maybe longer, I'm going to have an inspiration board set over on Pinterest. Set up over on Pinterest, and you can vote for the project you'd like for us to use as the inspirational starting point for creating on that week's live stream. Now, the project with the most votes wins. Plus, I'll give away the finished project to one lucky commenter on the live stream. So here are the rules. Number 1, you need to vote. There will be a link in the description box of today's video, and I plan on adding it to each of the live stream videos coming up. This survey will be updated for each new project, so you need to make sure to complete everything on that. Okay, number 2, you need to comment voted in the comment section of the video where you click the link from. You need to show up. That's number 3. You need to show up for the live stream and chat with us. So I love that so many of you are getting to know each other through the live chat. So telling us your name and where you're watching from would be awesome. And of course, chatting with everybody else along this way too would be great too. But a simple hi would be enough to enter the contest. The other thing I'm changing is that I would love to invite some of you that have your own YouTube channel or not to be a guest crafter on my channel. Now, we would go live together, and we would work on a project chosen from that inspiration board. Now, to sign up for this, there's a separate link down below. So that's going to be it for now. Thank you so much again for dropping by, even though this wasn't our regular live and that is normally scheduled for this time. As always, I've got a couple more videos coming up this week and that I hope will inspire you to expand your creativity, because if I can do it, you can too. See you next time.